put it in the middle. Yeah. Thank you very much.
That's all good? ¿Es bueno?
Yeah.
Gracias.
You normal.
Good game. Good game, good game. Good game. Get the GoPro. Let's go. Sure? They put this thing on me.
Oh, we're on camera right now.
Yeah, talk all the shit. Talk all the shit.
Oh no.
Okay.
You know who's a piece of shit? Look at Tito. No one likes Tito.
You know, everyone just pretends to like Tito.
Tyler, please come in. I love it. You bring Nick?
Is there Nick around here? The gas? I don't know. You're looking for him? It would be a Nick. Nick Lagas from Boston? Glasses? Oh, I don't know. Wait, they're playing.
Playing on the court over there.
They're playing.
Yep.
Do you know the lights turning off the time?
Oh, yeah.
What time is it? Can you tell me, anyone? What time is it?
It's like 8:30 or something.
If the lights turn off at 9, so
They do?
might not play a full game here. Oh,
There's a chance
oh my God.
to see someone crowd tomorrow.
Oh no. Sorry, Davey, get back in there.
That'd be the weirdest thing.
No call, keep going.
What is? Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. It's just a little love tap.
That would be.
I think they'll adjust as they need to, right? Like, get the crack earlier.
It still kind of sucks though. It's like people deserve their opportunity.
Oh, where'd it go? Oh.
Wow.
We're short guys.
David, wait, stay up, bud.
Short king, stand up.
Text us last.
They asked me to wear
Huh?
I'm on the ground. I'm just happy that I made it. Pretty good.
I believe in Davey.
But it's made.
What is this?
Hey, look at that ripping ass party, dude. Jesus.
It's all salted now.
Oh, salted.
A salted mud flat. Jesus, it really is. It's very.
Playoffs.
Oh my God, you guys are focusing.
Tina, we're having fun.
Look at Tina's fucking.
It's Saturday.
That's just crazy. That's ripping hella hard. I'm very jealous.
Yours is good too.
Butts?
Yeah.
Beehive, you've got 7, 6,
Tina had to wear
5, 4.
I don't think they realize.
I thought that was my camera.
I'm talking to Beehive.
Tina, who's
Beehive, you've got 5.
It's a local guy.
Oh, cool. There's like wireless thing.
I said no, but then I felt bad because he wanted to spotlight WTF players. I was like, okay, I'll do it.
I think it'll be pretty
You're
cool.
behind the
It'll be pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like shooting up here the whole time.
Front of it, Tyler. Like nose hairs.
No, I know.
Like sick nose hairs.
Oh, careful.
Nice, Arnold.
Goaltenders are waving new goals.
Very complimentary.
Yeah. Pleasant to watch.
Yep.
Nice, Tyler.
It's called bisexual colors. You guys.
Yeah.
I don't know if you watch every YouTube content creator on the planet, but that's what they use.
Watch that bet. Nice, Arnold! Yes! Oh, God. It's all right, it's all right.
Is that a dial?
I guess so.
I don't know what else to do.
Beauty, Davey.
Oh. Nice, Davey! Slow down!
Yeah, I don't know.
Nice, Davey.
Slow down, Arnold. Oh, okay.
Nice. Good reset.
Keep it up, guys.
Good patience.
Oh my God.
Why not, dude?
Nice look, Arnold.
Wow.
I would kill the any ball like that. Shit fucking games we play. Jesus.
Yeah, we were vibing. It's still marshmallow.
In front of me, buddy.
There's a proofread. It's not even that, it's like,
Yeah, we should have like a temperature limit for like things that we play for.
Yes, nice. Arnold.
Oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
I mean, they've gone by themselves.
Watch it, watch it. 2 on 2, 2. Careful. Be patient. Oh, it's okay.
You're like allowed to go where people can. What does that mean you pass due?
pink socks.
Jared's been playing a lot of solo polo.
Nice, Tyler. Yeah.
Joseph told me about it.
Sorry. What's like?
It's so hard.
80-40.
Wow.
Oh no, step, step, step.
Tyler.
Nice, Tyler.
Trying to break each other's wheels.
Watch the outlet pass, guys. Not worth it. Yes.
Watch it, David.
Drop it. Oh.
Let's go, Davey, back in it.
Hello, bike.
I had fun.
Still you, Davey. Still you.
For me, it's the purple.
Oh, nice touch, Davey.
Beauty, Davey, beauty.
Keep it up. Nice. I love it, Tyler.
Yeah, still you, Tyler. Still you, buddy.
Yeah.
Pero estoy a 3 cuadras. Vengo caminando o vas en carro o algo así. Sí, ya ahorita. Chao.
Nice.
Oh, it's okay.
Daniel, tenemos que agarrar nuevas estas. El crank. Todo. Porque se le barrió el pedal.
Nice pressure. Yes, Tyler. Nice. Very nice. Nice. Yes. Keep it up. Oh.
You cut him off.
Wow, that was on Davey, dude.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Oh yeah. 100%.
That's how you would have seen that?
Yeah, baby.
Nice, Tyler. Get that ball.
It was there too.
Jimmy, you're going in.
I think you. I mean, it's fair. You should play next. It's pretty fair.
Can we have some room? Sorry.
Okay, get in there. Tina, go.
Oh, it's me?
Tina, go.
Okay.
Yeah, Tina.
Oh my God. Why is there so many things?
That's 45.
Oh. Why did you tell me to go? You coming out?
Yeah. Davey has to sit. Davey.
Davey.
Teamwork back on.
Hey, good pressure, Davey.
Yeah.
He's like left-handed and shoots with him. Hey, you're cutting too much to his side.
Can you help me?
That direction. You're like, hey, you're cutting left and he's just turning left. And then his left hand. Are you ready? Stop cutting left. Okay. You're playing fucking great.
Stand across.
Beehive, you got me. I'm counting you.
Oh, we need to go. How does this opens this way?
Double
Okay.
down on the left now that he knows I like to go to the left. What you're trying to say.
Nice, Jimmy.
I like that. You're getting I thought about this with him. I played it. Go ahead. Show right first. Yeah. Show right. Show right.
that-
Then left. You're back on.
I think it got.
We're back on.
Yeah. You're on now.
It's a minor. If you keep
Watch the first one.
That's okay.
Tyler, how you feeling?
What was it called? What? Okay.
Alright, 10 across, Beehive.
Was that it?
No, wait. Oh, it's outside.
Change the score. I couldn't tell if it was in.
What does the goal judge say?
Every time.
Just let me take it, or your shot. So just get it to you.
No, I mean, if I'm there.
Okay. Wait, can you change the score? Well, it's supposed to be, at least they have one, you know?
Also, wasn't it like left?
I don't know. Well, like, I think they counted it.
Yeah, they counted it. Well, we'll see.
Oh my god, I'm burping on camera. Oh, gross. How you feeling? Okay, good.
Yes!
I need a hand signal. Thank you. 10 seconds to go.
I'm there, I'm there, I'm there. I'm going? Oh. Yours, it's yours. Let's go. Yep. Not anymore. Crossing? Oh God. I'm in? It's okay.
Mosquito, are you ready?
More flow. Okay, okay. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2. Tina, have it over here.
Oh! Oh. Oh.
You got it. Tina, you're strong. Send across.
Oh shit. You're alone, Jeff? I'm there? I'm not there. Reset! Do you guys split if you can?
Got a lot of space, honey. A lot of space. Let's go.
Fuck. Push. Nice. I'm with you, Jimmy. I'm with you. I'm in. Go. God damn it. Oh man.
Hey, it's okay.
Am I coming out?
I mean, are you feeling good? I think you're playing.
You're playing great. Plenty of time.
Yeah, I think you're getting the spots.
Okay.
Yeah, keep it up. Y'all do water.
3-1.
Yes, it does.
Nothing to critique. We're playing really well. They're getting some through passes. Yeah. We need to stop turning to Sean's dominant side. We keep trying to cut left. Why are we going that direction? There's no reason. This is our side. This is his side. Why are we going that direction? Don't go here. Okay. If you're gonna shoot, we're shooting here. We're shooting right side. If Deb
he's
is
not
in
there.
net, her front door is wide fucking open.
So the problem with when Sean and Deb are in, Sean is lining up right there.
Oh, 100%. You had a shot though.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying it was a bad shot, but like, take that.
It's just so hard to get past him that close to the net.
I get it. Maybe we need to be a little selfish and take it. Do we take a big rip or do we bring it in?
But if he'll give you an open before we get to him. I think once we get to him, it's his game. He's just too quick on that leg.
Right.
But if we shoot before, he's not coming out to meet you. He's
So
right outside.
shoot it quicker.
Yeah.
Shoot it
Watch the
quicker.
rebounds.
Just watch
And also,
the opening the game.
yeah. And Sean's playing one right now. And he's taking it from us every time we cross.
So we're,
Go this way. This way. This way.
Well, we're not doing the worst job hitting him that way, but somehow he'll stop and then cut this way.
Yeah.
And that's how he's
The thing is, he's super good.
Yeah.
But I'm saying when we have possession, that we should
Go.
try and avoid this.
Okay.
If Sean's on the
20 seconds! 20 seconds, Torpe!
I can come out. I could come out.
Y'all should play. What do you want? I want, like, what do you need?
Feel good?
Beehive, line it up!
Well, give me a couple more minutes.
Of course, whatever you want. I'll come in for you.
Okay.
For like 2 strong minutes.
But we don't want you and Jimmy on at the same time because you're Jimmy's sub.
Okay.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Nice, Sean.
Keep it safe. I'm in goal. I'm in goal. You're in. I'm there? Are you okay? You take it up.
Beehive, get across. Yeah, Dad. Yeah. You got it, you got it.
Got me over. Oh. You're in. Oh shit. Oh, we're stuck, dude. I don't know what to do. Oh, yeah.
Hey, that's good ride.
Man, he's a big guy. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, what? We were literally stuck together. My rotor guard got stuck in his wheel.
Now tomorrow you can die.
Nice, okay. Can't believe we didn't score in the open net.
Alan,
He's just like Argentina.
Something like that, right? Yeah. Oh, wait, it's just hanging out. You go with you, Alan. Alan?
Hey, keep up the intensity. You're good.
Oh, Tex. You can't be doing that to people, dude. Just slow roll.
Nice work out there.
It's all the long run.
I left my tools back at the airport.
So, what's true with the lights? 50 people in here. No one has a torch. 3 minutes from now, they do. Is everyone ready? All right.
You are coming in?
You can. Either way.
Are you ready?
Right now?
No.
Oh.
Because of the 3.
Right.
All right, Beehive, 10 to cross.
I like to see this end.
He's in the crease.
He's inside the crease.
He literally was in the crease.
Many seconds.
Oh, sell it, bud.
what's the goal? What was the foul?
I didn't see shit.
Arnold was a bad boy.
Arnold, keep it clean.
Gold judge is trying to talk to you.
No, please.
I can see.
Still 31 seconds.
That just looked like.
Donuts called it.
Beehive, are you ready?
Stand your bike, sir.
The space on Arnold. Like,
Mosquito, 10 to cross.
Gold judge is trying to talk to you.
I obviously didn't see them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All slides.
Here's a little Allen set. This is Patty's. Oh, it's so tiny. Really, that's really it. When I said little, I know.
Nice.
Hey, he's golden. Oh man, he's golden.
Flopper's gonna flop. Dude, later.
Yeah, Arnold, get there. Nice, perfect.
There you go. Get your look. Get your
We
look.
have time. Make it smart.
Not frantic.
There it is.
Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's you, Davey.
That's
Back
my
in,
son
back
out
in.
there. One more. Yeah, baby boy.
David Kimberly.
Oh. One looking, Arnold.
He needs some clips in that hair, though. Wait, are we calling him David Kimberly?
Yeah, they're like that scoreboard.
We got plenty of time, guys. Oh. It's still yours, Arnold.
Tyler, how did that happen?
Watch it, watch it.
Scary.
Jake looking hot. 2 on, 2 on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's fucking go!
Oh, good. Oh, no. Hustle, Arnold.
It's worth it.
Big smile on Arnold's face.
Look.
He's having a good time.
Oh, dick slap, dude? Nobody expects the dick slap there.
I mean, by now
Dude, that's
we
a
all
Canadian
do.
thing. I'm a Canadian dick slap.
Yeah,
You
you
had the most forceful dick slap.
Yes, Davey.
Yes, you are indeed.
2 on, Davey. Yes.
Patty's like,
That's
zip.
my kid.
Just keep it here.
You have the most forceful dick slap.
Beehive, are you ready?
Fuck. It was
Beehive, we got 7,
like,
6,
it looked like
5, 4,
it looked like maybe pass and then the rest
Oh, I did.
by the time.
Mosquito, all slides.
It's useful.
I got it.
I just think it's hilarious.
Slap him next.
Back in.
Yeah.
Yep, come on. Oh, okay. I wanted them to pass it up. That's
Am I
okay.
going in or are you? Are you ready to go?
I can go in, but if you want to go in.
No.
There it is. Yeah.
Oh, good idea.
Bracket.
Nice.
Good ride.
Oh. No, stop. Davey, no.
Are you crazy?
Davey
Stop.
complains.
No, do not.
Davey never
Do not.
complains.
Do not do
That's how
that.
you know he didn't follow him.
I didn't really know.
I got it.
Sometimes Darren just ain't doing right.
Apparently.
Uh-oh.
Very good.
Not a word.
Tyler, you need to
I don't know what the call is
He's a
yet.
leaf in the wind.
That's interesting.
That's our son. I didn't think it really.
Yeah.
Can I grab that milk?
Yeah, he was
Even with them.
That's
all right, solid.
Dude, I'm out.
No, do not argue with him. Do not.
Davey, keep doing what
Davidson, Bartholomew,
Yeah, Davey,
Kimberly.
you're grounded.
Davidson, Bartholomew, Kimberly. You're grounded, sir. No more penalties for you. Cool.
No.
I don't think we took him out.
I know.
I don't think we did.
It's talking about you on a whole way back to LA.
Yeah, dude. You gotta go back. Get in the back.
Yeah, Jimmy.
Arnold, great captain work there.
Joe.
Pretty good.
Joe. Where do I write the timeout?
I don't know. You don't.
No.
Oh, my.
Unless you're really tired. Okay, you see him.
Yeah. Yeah, start that shit on fire, homie.
You know, the great thing about spreadsheets is that they're editable. Someone else ordered water.
Water 40 seconds! 40 seconds in the
What type of water is
timeout!
that, Joe? Actual water, and it's almost all gone.
You want a booby?
Can I get one of the... Are you getting out?
It's blood.
Oh.
That was like 20%. That was my first time.
Clearly, dude.
That's not all you can get. You'll do better next time. I'll do more of those tomorrow. All right, let's.
I was definitely premature. That's for sure.
It's okay, we're fine.
I'm hyped up, dude.
Let's go!
Let's go! Arnold.
Are you gonna go in, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, get in there, dude. Fuck it up.
They call it 45 on that?
Yeah, I want to see them. Count it.
Emotional goals.
Dusty Shorts wanted that one.
The dusty shorts, dude. His lucky dusty shorts. Look at those shorts, dude. They look like snail trails.
Are you ready? You got 5, 4,
It's not that hard, man. You see if the other team is set. Yeah, right. Not, right? Like.
ball side. I got your phone.
Yes.
Oh, rats off to you. Yes, Jimmy.
Yes.
Damn, Jimmy Slade.
What a touch.
Hold on, buddy.
Oh man. Get out of there, Jimmy. Get out.
Cover net.
Oh my God. No.
that didn't go in.
Yeah, right, dude. Yeah, right.
This is your champion.
Okay, I'm getting ready.
Beautiful. Let's go. Boom, baby.
15.
Count it down.
5.
Hey, someone three. Someone three. Someone three. Someone three.
1.
Nice work, Jimmy. Nice work. I'm ready. Shake and dare, and take the space. Watch the two. Play the man. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hey, watch it. Oh God, I'm in. I'm in. Oh God. Watch it. Behind, behind. Oh hell. Sorry, I was supposed to be a bank. Behind their goal? Oh, okay.
Hey, one on, Tina. One on.
Of hell.
Going down. Great speed, great speed, great speed.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's yours. Slow down, slow down. Ah! You're in. know. Oh my God!
It's all right, it's all right.
Yep. Take it. Oh, nice play, Tyler.
No shots?
Oh man. Oh, that was poopy.
Okay. Of course I need off.
Sorry, Tyler. I kept trying to get the pass, you know, just flubbing it, dude. Damn it.
I bought some pastries and they're all broken.
Yes, could you pass me that one?
Mosquito, are you ready? You've got 7, 6, 5. All right, send across.
Oh man.
Oh my God, do it. Here, you want my belly button?
It was working. Me chilling down here was working, giving you space.
Yeah, you were wide open. I had like 3 perfect passes in mine and I just wasn't happening for me.
Jimmy!
Oh.
Hey Mark, or whoever's doing time, can we use the bell for advantage? Please.
I got it, Jimmy.
Mosquito, are you ready? You've got 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball's life.
Ball's life.
Hey, that's cool.
They're still there, Arnold.
You're right. Oh.
Nice, Davey. Nice, you guys. Perfect.
There it is.
2 minutes.
Oh, Arnold.
Still you, David.
A minute 50, guys.
You're in, you're in.
Oh.
Yo, one needs some pressure.
Can y'all yell it out? I don't need 90 seconds!
Yes. 2-1. All right, nice, Arnold. Thanks, something happened. Oh yeah, okay. Oh.
69 seconds left, Davey.
Yeah, boy. Big top, eh? That's a good question.
1 minute. Let's go, 3 up, 3 up, 3 up.
Should have done this a long time ago, actually.
Yeah.
1.
Oh, good luck.
Pressure, pressure, pressure. Pressure, Davey, pressure, Davey,
Get
pressure.
there, Davey.
30 seconds.
Pass, buddy.
Yeah. 3 up.
up, guys. 3 up. We need to score.
Oh, crap.
Nice shot, Jade. Bottom brackets.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Last game.
The game, man, still got it. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Okay.
What happened there? I know we don't
Good game. Good. Yeah, of course.
No, I thought we already did.
Oh no, we hadn't yet.
Pretty awesome.
Oh.
Man, that turn down there.
Where's that guy? Oh, man, I was getting tired. 3 passes, I was so tired. I was like, it's gonna be beautiful. And then they just like, I was like, oh fuck.
Y'all shed so many times, but
I should have subbed out when I got tired. I was like, I could do it. Oh, no, I could do it. Oh. It's like a game.
Yeah,
it was a good game. Yeah, it wasn't too like
it was a really good game.
chippy, you know. Where is the guy who gave me this?
Darren loses a lot of points for celebrating a goal.
Oh, but it was awesome because it was funny.
I don't know, funny that he didn't score. Yeah, he also flopped 2 times. He was like,
Oh, I know. Yeah, the flop was ridiculous.
He's going.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for repping. Where is the guy?
Thank you for showing me some amazing polo.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
Thank you very much.
Oh, there you are. Thank you. I definitely burped a lot on here, so I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Was uncomfortable?
Yeah, it was okay. I think it was in like when it's hot outside, it might be a little too calor. You know?
Yeah.
In my time, it's fine.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.